is it that someone can have 800,000 followers and get 0 views on their videos? Roll the clip.
Algorithms against you too, because you got that 10 million. So now you got a window of like say 48 hours to post, and you're gonna eat off of that 10 million. You wait longer than that, you don't post for 3 days. Now the algorithm not gonna put your stuff in front of all of the people. So you could have 5 million followers, only 50,000 people see your content.
This is the #1 reason why I tell all of my clients to start either an email list or a text list, because you don't know when the algorithm, right, will try to limit your reach. And when you have a text list or an email list, then you can basically directly hit up your people whenever you want. Or even starting an app is a really great idea. If you have the means and you're able to do so, start your own app. Let me tell you, I went to Kohl's the other day, and Kohl's has a new app. So I download the Kohl's app because I want my little 20% off of this dress that I'm going to buy. I want my little percentage off. So I download the app. Now the app sends me notifications. Guess what? I just got one today. I got this notification stating, hey, why don't you come on back? Come on, spend some more money. This is the type of access you want to have with your audience. It's not just about the followers. It's about the connection and how you're connecting with them. Do you have a direct connection line to your audience? Or are you just out here just trying to collect followers?